Top 7 Best Tablet for Drones 2023. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together the list of options that will meet the need of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or particular use, we have got you covered. For more information, I have put links of products in the description. Make sure to check it out. Like the video, comment, don't forget to subscribe, and let's get started. Number 7. LG G Pad 5. LG is another top player in electronics with a vast variety of mobiles and other electronics. The display is an 8.0-inch IPS LCD with 1208x800 resolution. It's a high-definition screen. This tablet runs on Android 5.0 Lollipop for up to 10 hours, which is very impressive. It's very lightweight, weighing only 0.9 ohms. It has a built-in stylus for usage, and for the internal memory, this pad has 16 GB as internal memory and 1 GB RAM. You can plug in your pen drive, wireless Wi-Fi. For the price, it's not that worthy but a good find. Number 6. Google Nexus 9. This is one great tablet that cannot but find its way onto our list of the best tablets for drones. The tablet seems better in every way, and there's no doubt that this is much better as compared with others that also work well for many other purposes. It is not improper to say that this tablet still rates more than average. There are many exciting features that you'll find important as you embed them on your drone flying experience. As we know very well that this device is from Google, but not as much popular as Google itself. There are many other brands but still considered as best tablets for drone. Powered by 64-bit 2.3 GHz Nvidia Tegra, which provides enough speed for video and most of the other transmissions that are useful for the drone. The product has an 8.9-inch screen size, 2048 x 1536 pixel resolution with a 4:3 IPS display. Google Nexus 9 comes with a Kepler graphics processor, 2 GB RAM, and a hard drive storage capacity of 32 GB. This is one product that is definitely worth the specification and need. You can also go for Chrome OS tablets if you love to work on Chrome. Number 5. DJI Crystal Sky 7.85. The Crystal Sky's dimensions are 8.2 x 5.8 x 0.7 inches, length x width x depth, and weigh 425 grams. The tablet itself is manufactured from durable industrial-grade plastic and makes use of the IPS display. This makes the screen brighter, with more realistic colors, and rarely heats up. Unfortunately, you must buy a holder for your Crystal Sky, which is annoying but doesn't stop it from being the best tablets for drones around. If you are really serious about flying your drone, this is what you need to buy and realize it the best. Number 4. Lenovo Tab M10 Plus. Lenovo is one of the most popular brands in the market right now. The Lenovo Tab 4 Plus is powered by octa-core 2.3 GHz processor chipset and 4 GB RAM, which assures you the smoothest performance. If you're a gamer, listen up. This tablet has Adreno 506 GPU, which powers up the gaming style and performance and supports all the game applications. I uses this for more than an hour. Its lightweight helps to hold a drone remote for longer time. Less burden on pocket due to its price range. The storage normally is only 64 GB, but this can be expanded up to 256 GB so that you can enjoy storage comfort under budget. It has 2 cameras. The rear one is 8 MP, and the front one is 5 MP for video calling and selfies. The display is 10.1 inches with a Full HD view with 1920x1200 resolution. The operating system is Android 9, which brings you effective service so that your data is not lost. It runs smoothly for 11 hours and is lightly weighted too. Number 3. Samsung Galaxy Tab 8.0. The Samsung Galaxy Tab 8.0 is a good option if you are looking for branded and the best cheap tablets. It comes with an S Pen without charging any more. Unlike with all current competitors, the stylus is attached magnetically. The size of the tablet if easily fit in your controller and great size screen for better visibility. The data taken by the front is also looking very good on its screen due to the color combination and backlight of the screen. If we talk about its battery, then you can run your drone for a longer time. As usual, Samsung pre-installed a lot of software and provide updates optimized for the pen. This is a middle-class tablet that is good enough for most. It features a Full HD screen, a decent performance, and a well-optimized Android 9.0 Pie, with 3 GB of RAM and 32 GB of internal storage, which may be further expanded. Number 2. Dragon Touch Max 10. The tablet includes 10-point multi-touch technologies, which is extremely helpful for gaming and multitasking. The tablet computer is powered through an octa-core 1.6 GHz chip clocked at 2.0 GHz. The chip can be assisted using an octa-core high-speed PowerVR SGX 544 GPU for image functionality. The tablet runs Android 9.0, which can be predicted to get Android 6 Marshmallow. Apart from all of the aforementioned specifications, also, it packs in features that are futuristic and provides a battery backup of up to 6 hours on a single charge. Overall, the Dragon Touch X10 is your best tablet for drone. Number 1. Nvidia Shield Cone. Powered by the Nvidia Tegra Cone processor, which has proven to be outstanding processor for the demanding activities carried out on the tablet. Everyone knows very well about Nvidia graphics are best for gaming purposes, but for this multitasking work, this table's processor is the best. No lagging or any glitch, plus smooth functioning for other uses too. The most important specification on the Nvidia Shield, which gives it an edge over some other products, is its HDMI port. With the help of this, user can connect the drone to the screen directly, which provides greater efficiency and make it the best tablets for drones. So guys, that's all for top 7 best laptops. The links of all products are given in the description, which are updated for the best prices. Subscribe our channel for more videos. We will meet in next video. Till then, take care. Bye.